Welcome back. In news overseas, the House passed a resolution on Wednesday to limit President Donald Trump's war powers in Iran, a significant rebuke to Trump and his handling of the conflict. Democrats have repeatedly forced votes to limit Trump's war powers in both the House and the Senate, a campaign that has gradually picked up more GOP support in recent weeks. The vote was 215 to 208, with Republican reps Thomas Massie, Brian Fitzpatrick, Tom Barrett and Warren Davidson crossing party lines to support the resolution. Passage of the War Powers resolution is the latest instance of the GOP-controlled Congress pushing back on Trump's agenda.
I can't see in front of me, so what's
next? And the Primetime News package continues with sports right after this break.